Well, I'm all done with the installation now. As you can see, let me show you guys. Let me put this a little bit brighter. Okay, the truck is a little higher. Right now I have it about 40 pounds PSI on the airbags. So it says it only recommends 10 PSI when not in use. But I put it at 40 just to check how it feels on the ride height. Well, not the ride height, but while driving it. So usually my truck is pretty low right now, so right now it's high, so usually it'll be like about right here once it's all like the air is out. But so far for the installation it wasn't too bad. Maybe like around like a 3 or a 4. Let's see if you could see them through here. Let's go again. Let me see. Let's brighten her up here. You can kind of see it, not too much. But yeah, it's not too bad. It feels pretty good. Let's see how it feels. How much low it goes. It's pretty stiff. Need to put some shocks into it. It does need new shocks. I think it only has the original shocks. So, well, thanks for watching. And for the next one, I think I'll do a video of me going to the drift event with my brother. That's why I put these to keep it from sagging, because we're gonna tow his car. Alright, bye.